Hey guys, so nandito kami ngayon sa Yokohama. Buti na lang nakita ko si Miss Ren. Sinabihan niya ako na mayroong Hanabi today. So, wala tayong dalang camera. GoPro lang yung dala natin. So, ayan, naglakad kami na pagkalayo-layo. Doon yung Hanabi. Yan doon. Pero at least, kahit dito, kita namin sa malayo. Nandito na lahat ng mga office mate namin. Yun nga lang, maaga silang umalis. Mga 5 siguro, 5:30. Or yung iba, 4:30. So nakapuesta sila ng maayos, kami wala. So dito kami sa dulo, pero feeling ko mas maganda yung views. Diba? Tapos magkita-kita na lang kami ulit mamaya. Ayun, kasi sobrang daming tao kanina guys, papakita ko sa inyo. Nandyan, nakaklips ako kanina na sobrang daming tao. So, tayo nyo pahinga muna kami kasi mag-start na 7:30. Nakarating kami dito mga 7:20 na. No? Yan, 7:18. Tinakbo namin 10 minutes lang from office. So, yan, tingnan nyo mamaya. Ha? See you later. Bye-bye.
Off your seat, clap your hands to the beat, grab your champagne glass tonight. We toast to freedom in the Caribbean, yeah, in the Caribbean, yeah. Dance, 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 smoke, 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 fire it up, let our lanterns paint the night sky red, paint the night sky red, yeah, yeah. We'll drink honey by the ocean, it's our favorite potion. Come on baby, let me tell you one time that our days will never end, yeah, no. Will never end, yeah, no. Come on, baby, let me tell you one time that our fire got a love it till you never break apart. We're moving away to the sea, moving away, can't you see? There won't be one more time, so we gonna do this tonight. There won't be one more time, so we gonna do this tonight. There won't be one more time, so we gonna do this tonight. There won't be one more time, so we gonna do this tonight. To the sea for a getaway, car top down and we're driving just to feel young. Moving away to the sea, moving away, can't you see? Sand in your feet, feel the breeze in the summertime. Stars in the sky, one dime for a first time. Moving away to the sea, moving away, can't you see? We'll drink honey by the ocean, it's our favorite potion. Come on baby, let me tell you one time that our days will never end, yeah, no. Our days will never end, yeah, no. Come on baby, let me tell you one time that our fire got a love it till you never break apart. We're moving away to the sea, moving away, can't you see? There won't be one more time, so we gonna do this tonight. There won't be one more time, so we gonna do this tonight. There won't be one more time, so we gonna do this tonight. off your seat, clap your hands to the beat, grab your champagne glass tonight. We toast to freedom in the Caribbean, yeah, in the Caribbean, yeah. Dan, 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 smoke, 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 fire it up, let our lanterns paint the night sky red, paint the night sky red, yeah, yeah. We'll drink honey by the ocean, it's our favorite potion. Come on baby, let me tell you one time that our days will never end, yeah. No, our days will never end, yeah. No. Come on baby, let me tell you one time that our fire got a love it till you never break apart. We're moving away to the sea, moving away, can't you see? There won't be one more time, so we gonna do this tonight. There won't be one more time, so we gonna do this tonight. There won't be one more time, so we gonna do this tonight. There won't be one more time, so we gonna do this tonight. Car time, then on with car drop on the
Wow! Laban na, laban! So, nanood kami ng Hanabi. Kaso lang dalawa lang kami. Hindi namin nakita yung mga kasama namin. So, ayun, sobrang ganda, di ba? Nakita nyo naman kanina.
Okay nung lugar namin.
Oo, hindi namin na-expect na uli kami. Pero yun pa yung place na maganda, maganda pa. So, yun guys, sana nagustuhan nyo yung Hanabi. Sana don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, okay? See you in my next vlog. Bye-bye!